What are you eating? Why must everything that tastes so good be so bad? We have such a warped view of food. We think adding refined sugars and carbs are what makes food taste good, without realizing the true wonder of the taste of fresh fruits and vegetables upon the palate. There's a world of spices and sauces to experience, yet somehow we've come to rely almost entirely on salt for seasoning. The problem is, these easy fixes to flavor really are hurting us, not just in the shapes of our bodies, but in how our brains work, and in our ability to remember what's important. Too much sugar, all those carbs, and excess salt will change the shape and function of your brain. These are the things that will actually shrink down brain matter and collapse the vessels carrying blood and oxygen to where you need it most. A brain fed on a poor diet becomes slow and sluggish. So drop the sugar. Eat whole foods with a focus on what's best for the health of your whole body. You'll be amazed at how much better you're thinking when you do.